Welcome to the Agile Auditor at riskvigilantbharat. Let's investigate vendor scorecards and expose those failing suppliers. Imagine renewing a massive 50 lakh rupee contract just because a supplier offered you the absolute lowest price. But boom, next week, delayed deliveries from that exact supplier bring your entire factory to a grinding halt. So, why did it happen? They trusted the contract blindly, but totally ignored the reality of the vendor's scorecard. For you freshers out there, a vendor scorecard is simply the official mathematical report card for your suppliers. It literally grades price accuracy, delivery speed, and material quality. It proves if they actually keep their promises. Think about a daily Tiffin service. At first, they promise to deliver your hot food right by 1 p.m. But the reality, a month later, that food is freezing cold, spilling everywhere, and showing up at 2 p.m. You wouldn't just blindly pay them, right? You track actual performance and use that hard data to fire them. Now, let's apply this to XYZ Limited. Every month, they buy 10 lakh rupees of flour from vendor A. The contract demands 2-day delivery and 0 rejections, but warehouse logs actually show 5-day delays and 2% spoilage. The ERP system calculates these failures automatically, instantly slapping vendor A with a brutal failing grade of 60%. RIA in purchasing uses this undeniable data to confidently cancel the contract, totally avoiding useless opinion-based arguments. Freshers often confuse the SLA with the scorecard. Look, these are just two halves of the exact same relationship. The service level agreement is the documented promise, while the scorecard is the actual physical result. You see, the SLA is negotiated before work even begins, but the scorecard is calculated way after delivery. Finally, legal teams draft the SLA, whereas the ERP system's cold, hard data independently generates that scorecard. Auditors, watch out for the ultimate red flag, a vendor scorecard manually typed out by a manager in Excel. If you spot a perfect 100 typed in Excel, but logs show 10 late deliveries, you better look closer. This massive discrepancy signals major fraud. The buyer is intentionally faking numbers to protect a secretly linked vendor. So always remember this rule. The SLA is just the promise, but the scorecard is the undeniable proof. Scorecards expose reality, but what legally binds this promise? Next Explainer, we investigate purchase agreements and contracts. Stay vigilant.